here we need to search for the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So after searching, we got the official link of the Visual Studio, and we need to select this link. So after selecting here, I got the download button, as you can see in the blue color. We need to click on this download button. I'm going to saving it on my desktop. It is downloading. Here you can see at the bottom. So this is what the basic interface of the Visual Studio Code. So here we have the various extensions for the different language like Python, C, C++, Java. So these are the extensions available in the this Visual Studio Code. So in which language you're writing the code, that extension we need to install. So as it is downloaded, so now I will close it. So we have to click double click on this download. So we have to accept the agreement and next. So we should check for the open with code and the path whether this both are included or not, because it is very important. So here it is already included, so we need to click on the next and the install. So Visual Studio Code is a very good editor. So as compared to the other code editors like Sublime Text, Notepad plus. So we need to make the habit of using the Visual Studio Code to write any programs. So no, it is installed. So after installing, here I'm going to creating a folder. So I have to close it for instant purpose. So I'm creating a one folder. Welcome is the name of the folder. So after creating this folder, we need to right click. After right clicking, we have the option as open with code here, as you can see. As I told before that you need to check whether this open with code and that path is included or not. So you will get this option only when you included while installing. So we have to select this one. So welcome is the folder that I created. So in this code editor we have the various extensions. So to create the files, we need to click on this link here. So we need to right click. After right clicking, you have the various option, as you can see. So to create the new file, so we need to select. So the name of the file is like hello. hello.html. So this is what the simple file that I'm creating here. So within a h1 tag, so hello, welcome to Visual Studio Code. So we need to save it. By right clicking, you have these options. So to save, we need to press the Ctrl plus S. So after pressing open with the live server, so open with the live server, we need to select this one. So as I got the message, hello, welcome to Visual Studio Code. So within a h1 tag I wrote. So this is what the procedure that you need to follow to install the Visual Studio Code.